What are the symptoms of toxic release after chiropractic adjustment? And why do some people feel strange sensations after treatment, especially after a car accident in the Tri-Cities? Let's clear this up with real, practical information. Some patients report dizziness, nausea, headaches, fatigue, sweating, or mild soreness after an adjustment. These reactions are sometimes labeled toxic release, but the term is not a medical diagnosis. These sensations usually come from changes in circulation, nerve activation, and soft tissues that were tight or inflamed finally beginning to move again. At Auto Accident Chiropractic, we use slow, controlled adjustments, soft tissue therapy, and injury-specific techniques to keep these post-adjustment reactions minimal and manageable. If you live in Pasco, Kennewick, or Union Gap, and you are recovering from a car accident, pay close attention to how your body responds after your first few treatments. Light soreness or fatigue is normal. Anything sharp, worsening, or lasting beyond 2 days should be shared with your chiropractor so your care plan can be adjusted right away. If you want safe, gentle chiropractic care designed specifically for auto injury recovery, schedule your visit with Auto Accident Chiropractic today.